Welcome back to Daily Drives, your daily destination for the latest and greatest in the world of vehicles. If it rolls, floats, or flies, we're talking about it right here. So, buckle up and get ready, because today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the all-new BMW Motor Home 2026, a fusion of luxury, performance, and freedom on four wheels. This futuristic machine is rewriting the rules of what a mogul lifestyle can look like. BMW's no stranger to innovation. But with the 2026 Motorhome, they've stepped into uncharted territory. Known for sleek sedans, powerful coupes, and precision engineering, BMW has now taken that same DNA and injected it into the ultimate travel machine. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a luxury apartment on wheels, engineered with the same obsession to detail you'd expect from a BMW 7 Series, but built for the open road and off-grid exploration. From the outside, the BMW Motor Home looks like a moving sculpture, smooth, aerodynamic lines, a wide, futuristic stance, and laser-sharp LED lighting that wraps around the frame like a spaceship ready for liftoff. The grille is unmistakably BM, but it's not just for aesthetics, it's active and intelligent, opening and closing based on airflow needs, enhancing efficiency. On the roof, solar panels seamlessly integrate into the design, powering much of the internal ecosystem. And thanks to advanced lightweight materials and carbon-infused framing, this beast remains surprisingly nimble for its size. Step inside, and you'll feel like you've entered a premium suite more than a vehicle. BMW's 2026 interior design language is alive and well here, minimalist, ultra-modern, and entirely driver-focused. The cockpit features a curved OLED display that stretches across the dashboard, with a voice-activated control system that adapts to your habits and preferences. It's smart, intuitive, and surprisingly warm, with ambient lighting that adjusts automatically to the time of day and mood. Behind the driver's cabin, the real magic begins. The living space expands automatically when parked, creating a full-width lounge and sleeping area with heated floors, memory foam reclining seats, and a panoramic ceiling window that brings the sky indoors. There's a fully equipped kitchen with an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, and even a coffee bar designed by BMW's lifestyle division. And for those working remotely, a dedicated office nook with noise isolation and high-speed satellite. Internet ensures productivity on the move. Sleeping arrangements are anything but basic. The queen-size bed folds out from the rear wall and comes with adaptive climate control and integrated massage. Underneath, a clever storage system holds luggage, outdoor gear, and even an e-bike that charges while docked. The bathroom, think spa-like. Heated shower floors, UV-sterilized surfaces, and a mirror that doubles as a display screen for news, weather, or Netflix. Powering all this is BMW's latest generation hybrid electric powertrain, optimized for long-range travel with minimal environmental impact. A 120 kilowatt-hour solid-state battery provides up to 800 kilometers of range in electric mode alone, while an onboard hydrogen generator extends it further. The drivetrain is all-wheel drive and features adjustable suspension for city cruising, off-road terrain, or smooth highway gliding. And thanks to Level 4 autonomous capabilities, you can even let the vehicle take control on long highway stretches, giving you more time to relax or plan the next destination. Of course, safety is top tier. 360-degree cameras, object recognition, emergency braking, lane correction, and real-time hazard alerts keep everything under control. And for pet lovers, yes, it even includes a pet care mode, regulating temperature and playing calming music when you're away for a quick errand, perhaps. What's most impressive about the BMW Motor Home 2026 is how customizable it is. You can tailor nearly every aspect, from floor plan to upholstery to the built-in tech suite. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple on a road adventure, or a small family chasing the horizon, BMW has designed a configuration to fit your lifestyle. Now, let's talk price, because all of this innovation doesn't come cheap. Early estimates place the starting price north of $400,000 USD, and fully loaded versions could go well beyond that. But what you're getting isn't just a vehicle, it's a mobile lifestyle experience, crafted with the precision, technology, and elegance only BMW can deliver. For the select few who crave that blend of adventure and luxury, this motorhome isn't just a dream, it's the future, realized, and that's a wrap for today's ride. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of high-tech luxury RVs, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Daily Drives is your #1 stop for all things automotive, from futuristic concepts to daily road warriors. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode, and drop your thoughts below. Would you take the BMW Motor Home 2026 on a coast-to-coast adventure? Thanks for watching, and as always, keep your wheels turning and your dreams in drive. See you in the next one, only on Daily Drives.